All right, hello and welcome back to day 28 of 30 days of teaching you how to teach abroad. Today I thought I would do something different and reach out to some teacher friends and kind of share with you some of their advice, their pros and their cons about teaching abroad. So today we're gonna do the pros, tomorrow we'll do the cons, and then the day after that we'll get into the advice. And don't forget, I am also going live on Monday here on TikTok at about 7 p.m. So stay tuned for that if you're interested. Bring all of your questions to ask, and I will be here to help you. I'm gonna share with you some pros from people who have taught abroad. I'm gonna tell you how long they've taught abroad, where they've taught. So let's get into it. I'm excited about this. And thank you to all of my friends who did fill out the Google survey. I appreciate you. So the first person, 8 months in Doha. The biggest pro about teaching abroad to them is the work-life balance. You start earlier and finish earlier, creating an opportunity to enjoy hobbies or rest as needed. Now, yes, this is true. We start school quite early. Like I'm on the bus. Well, now we have Ramadan hours, but before that, I'm on the bus at 6 o'clock. Like we're on the bus at 6, ready to roll to school, and then we're home by 2 most days. So that frees up a lot of your time to do any of the extracurricular things that you want to do, work on yourself, whatever that may be. So I also do enjoy that as a pro. This person, 5 years, Kuwait, China, and Qatar. So we've got some variety here. The biggest pro for this person was meeting people from various countries, learning and teaching a new curriculum. Traveling to nearby countries can be cheaper than traveling to those countries from the US, 100%. Especially if you're coming to teach abroad in the GCC. This region is so perfect for travel because Africa's here, Asia's here, Europe's here, everything is right here. So it is very convenient to travel from this region. All right, 8 years in Qatar. Okay, the biggest pros for this person were lifestyle, travel, the people you meet, quality of life, and the sunshine. The weather. I don't think I've ever talked about the weather. Yes, it can be extremely hot sometimes, but once it cools down around October, because one thing, I'm from the Midwest, okay, baby, so I know a thing or two about snow and ice storms, and I don't care for it. I'm not here for it. So the weather is one of the main reasons why I love this region, and the quality of life. My quality of life is so much better living in this region just because of the simple fact that I can afford to do more things that I enjoy, like my piano lessons that I've talked about. Like, it just wasn't gonna happen at home. Sorry. Even when I tried to find cheaper alternatives or to do this or to that, that is something that I value and that I enjoy, that I've wanted to do for a long time, and it actually improves my quality of life. So I agree on that one. This person, 5 years in Kuwait. The biggest pro for this person was they felt like they could have more teaching and less everything else that comes with teaching in the States, as far as like testing, some of the politics, which you can get a little bit of that here, but this person enjoyed the place that they were at. They were able to focus more on the teaching and less on the bullcrap. This person, 7 months in Doha. The biggest pro is the experience of living in a different country, meeting new people, and making friends. The time alone and away from familiarity helps with your inner growth, which is, I've talked about this before. If I didn't move abroad, I don't know if I would be the same person that I am today. And I attribute a lot of my personal growth to taking myself out of a space that I was comfortable with and challenging myself to grow. So 100% agree with that one. And the last one, this person lived in Dubai for 3 years and in Kuwait for 4, and they said just the experiences in general was the biggest pro for them living abroad. And honestly, life is about experiences regardless of where you go, and if you're gonna have an experience, you might as well have it away from the place that you've known your entire life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really wanted to just share some different pros from other people about their experiences living abroad and teaching abroad around the world. Remember, I will be going live on Monday here at, I think my new 7 or 8, I haven't decided yet, but one of those times. Check my stories to find out when, and come with all of your questions about teaching abroad. I will be there to help you, and I'll see you tomorrow for some cons about living abroad, because if we're gonna do the pros, we gotta do the cons. So I will see you there.